Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to increase the font size in Notepad documents. It's really easy and simple, just follow these steps. First open Notepad document, and what you need to do now is to go where is the format, click on font, and here you need to change some things. First we will change font, we will use this, we will bold it, we will use smaller font size, and that's that. If you want to do this in a Notepad++, I will show you. Go where is edit with Notepad++, open the document and go where is the settings, go where is style configuration. Here you need to check default style, and here you need to change some things. We will change the font size in bigger one, bold, italic, you can enable or disable it, underline, and you can change color of the font. Hopes this help you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.